All right, guys. Good morning. I'm sorry I can't be there today, but I will be back next week. I'm trying my best to pretend like I'm there having this video kind of explaining what you're going to be doing today. So every semester, every Power Math student has to take this assessment called the Math Inventory. You probably also took it in reading, maybe called the Reading Inventory, and we will take it 3 times throughout the semester. We're going to take it today, and then we're going to take it halfway through the semester, and then at the end in June to measure progress. All right, so a few things you want to pay special attention to. There is an audio button, so you need headphones, and you have headphones for this video anyway, because the text will be read to you either in English or Spanish, and the first direction is given to you via the audio, so you want to make sure you are listening. You may skip up to 3 questions without having a penalty, meaning it's not going to affect you. The skip button is on the top right corner, and you can skip up to 3 times, and it'll keep track of your skips for you. If you have a question like that you don't really understand, or maybe it's from like a long time ago and you don't remember, you may skip it. The test is untimed, so please take as long as you need. It is adaptive. That means you cannot go back, because once you answer one question, it leads you to either a harder or an easier next question. You'll probably all finish at different times, so if you're still going or you finish earlier than somebody, it's okay. There is an on-screen calculator available for some of the questions, but not all of them. It's at the bottom, so make sure you use it if it's there. If you get the calculator accommodation for your IEP, please make sure you have a calculator on your desk for the entire assessment, and Mr. Mossberg will know who those people are. The formula sheet is also available on the screen when you need it. Make sure you click on it to use the formulas. And then please, please, please use whiteboard or scratch paper. You don't need to turn anything in to show your work, but I would like you showing your work because that's really the best way that we're going to be working through these math problems. A little bit more about how it scored. The test results are reported as quantile measures, which helps me provide you math support and kind of see which areas we need more help in, which areas we're proficient in, and then it gives you a score ranging from 0 to 1,600. So that would be like you're ready to enter Algebra 2. At the end of the year, we want to be about 950 to 1,050. Okay, so let's talk about how you log on. I'm going to actually exit out of this for a second, and you are going to click on this icon right here, so you should also have it on your desktop. And then it's going to bring you to this. So I practiced logging into this account. So it should say hi, your name, and then it should say Math Inventory. If it's not there, you might have to scroll down a little bit to find it, but it should be the purple button. Don't go into the Reading Inventory, we're going to the Math Inventory. Okay, so going back to the PowerPoint, when you get to that spot, you're going to click it, and then when you have to log on, make sure it's your FCPS student ID, so whatever your numbers are, and then your student ID with your first and your last initial. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then for John Smith, it would be JS, and it can be lowercase. That should bring you in. You're going to take the fact screener. It's going to ask you to type in the number or type in the answer to numbers, and then you will go through the entire assessment. It'll tell you your results at the end in a quantile measure, and it'll send it to me as well, so you don't need to write it down unless you want to. So good luck and try your best. I am sure you will do great. You got this. And then when you finish, you can see Mr. Mossberg for what you need to do next. Make sure if you need a break, go ask for some water, ask to go to the bathroom, whatever you need. All right? Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.